Hello, students. This is your EVS teacher. Here I'm back with a new topic, and that is sense organs. Students, as you know, in our body, we have five sense organs. So let's study about those five sense organs. Here, number one is eyes. How many eyes do we have? Yes, we have two eyes. Now, ears. How many ears do we have? Yes, we have two ears. Now, can you tell how many nose do we have? Yes, we have one nose. Now, how many tongue do we have? You can say we have only one tongue. And the fifth one is skin. Can you feel the things? Yes, you can say we can feel the things by touching our skin. Let's repeat. We have five sense organs in our body. First is eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and our skin. Now, let's read how our sense organs help us. And the first is eyes. It is the sense of sight. Students, sight means ability to see the things. Once again, sight means ability to see the things. With our eyes, we are able to see things. We can see colors, we can see shapes, and also we can see sizes. Now, we can see different things around us. We can see different colors, and also we can see shapes. What about shapes? You can say shapes means which one is circular in shape, and which one is oval in shape, and which one is rectangular in shape. With the help of our eyes, we can say the shapes of different things. Now we can see different sizes. What about sizes? With the help of our eyes, we can tell which things is shorter and which is longer. Now let's move on to the next, ear. Students, it is the sense of sound, and we have two ears. Our ears help us to hear sounds. We can hear soft sound, and also we can hear loud sound. Soft sounds like you are listening to music, or very light music, that is soft sound. And the other is loud sound, like you hear loud sound in temple, like ringing of bell. Sometime it irritates our ears, so our ears help us to hear soft sound and also loud sound. Now, nose. Students, it is the sense of smell. Our nose help us to smell the things, good things or bad things. It means you can say good smell or bad smell. Suppose if I give you a flower, how does it smell? Yes, you can say it smells good. But what if I give you dirty socks or dirty clothes? Yes, it smells bad. Students are so we can smell good and bad things with our nose, and with the help of our nose we can find out which smell is good and which one is bad. Students, one more thing is here. We can also breathe with our nose. It means our nose help us to breathe. Now here some examples. Uh, Smell of food and flour are good smell, and you can say smell of medicines and garbage are bad smell. Now tongue. Students, it is the sense of taste. Our tongue help us to taste. Children, you eat different kind of food. So how do you know that which one is spicy or which one is sweet, which one is salty? Yes, your tongue tells you that the food is sweet, the food is salty, and this is bitter, and this food is spicy, or this food is sure. Now, here, sweet, like the food is sweet, like candies, the food is sure, like prickles or mango, you can say. The chilies, the smell of the taste of chilies are pungent, and the taste of medicines are bitter. Now the last one is skin, and it is sense of touch. Students, we feel things with our skin. It means our skin help us to feel things: hot, cold, hard, and soft. If something is hot, you can tell that the thing is hot by touching your skin. Like this, if something is cold, you can say it is cold by touching your skin. So, you can say we can feel the things by touching our skin. Here, some examples I have taken: smooth and rough. How can you tell that the thing is smooth and rough? Yes, you can tell the things that is smooth and rough by touching your skin. Soft and hard. Now, these are the five sense organs which help us to see things, smell things, hear different sounds, taste different food, and feel things. Now, all the sense organs of our body make our life easy and comfortable. They enable us to see, hear, smell, taste, and feel all the good things of life. Now, let's do an exercise. Draw the organ. What is the organ used for each sense? Name the organ, draw an image of that organ, then add color to your drawings. Now, first one is sense of sight, second one is sense of smell, third one is sense of hearing, fourth one is sense of taste, and the last one is sense of touch. sense the world. And the last is identify the sense organ using the following thing. Put it in the appropriate branch of a tree chart. Thank you, students.